welcome to my channel. So at first I was not going to do this haul in my car because it was raining. And now it is snowing. Like seriously. I mean, this is Wisconsin, but like really it's snowing in May. I don't recall ever it snowing in May. Like seriously, thank you, Mother Nature. I know you're pissed off and sad just like everybody else, but that didn't stop me from couponing, you guys. So I actually got some pretty good stuff. I was pretty excited. I had to go there to get some medication, and I got my free 8x10 photo, you guys. This does go till tomorrow, Monday, but we ended up getting a picture of Miss Charlotte with her cake. Isn't that so cute? I love it. I love it. I love it. So I definitely wanted, I go into the store and she's like, oh, I just printed off a picture of you and Miss Charlotte. And I'm like, oh, sweet, thank you. So, funny thing is, I was going to the cash register and I went through the photo department because I was picking up my photos, and she's like, you know what, this is probably the least I've ever seen you buy. And I'm like, I know, isn't that sad? I only have one bag. Like usually I use my reusable bags, but with just everything going on, they don't want you doing that. So I'm just like, whatever. So I'm just gonna take a thing and show you guys what I got. So the first thing you guys can do is the Poise pads. Now these are currently on sale for $5.99. There is a $3 off coupon that you guys can clip to your card. Plus there is a $2 off coupon in the Walgreens booklet. You guys would just get this for 99 cents. You can also submit your receipt to Fetch Rewards, and you guys will get points for Fetch Rewards. So, got that going on. Now, I did the toothpaste deal. Now, in my favor, it ended up becoming a moneymaker, but it's up to you guys. Now, I usually say you should not pay for toilet paper. Did I say toilet paper? Toothpaste. Toothpaste, Jennifer. But this is stuff that's actually pretty expensive, and I actually really love using this toothpaste. This is a toothpaste I'm currently using. When I can get like the expensive toothpaste, I do not share it. I do not like having anybody use it because I'm like, you know, this is expensive stuff and I love it. But this is the Crest Gum Detoxify. This is currently $7.99, okay? I had a $3 off digital coupon for this one. Now there is a deal where if you get two of them, you get 4,000 points. So I'm like, okay, do I want to buy two of these? But then there's a different deal that you guys can do. So there is the Proactive Defense. Now these are currently $5.99, and they're also buy two, you get 4,000 points. Now I have a digital coupon for $5 off of 3, and I also have a coupon for $5 off of 2. I just used the $5 off of 2 and the $3 off one, because if I did the 5 off of, it actually doesn't matter. You could do either one. So I got 2 of the Deep Clean and the Daily Nourishment. Now this is the next toothpaste that I actually do want to try, because you know it's more of the expensive stuff. The other ones are like $2.99. So you guys want to buy, you can mix and match however you want to do it, but this is a scenario that I figured out for you guys. So buy 3 of these for $5.99 a piece, and buy 1 of these for $7.99. Use a $3 off digital coupon and a 5 off of 3 or a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. You guys would pay $17.96, okay? But you guys can submit a $1.50 rebate with Ibotta for this, and then you guys can submit a $2 rebate for the gum Proactive Defense. Now it is a limit of 3, that's why I did 3, otherwise I would have done more. But $2, $2, and $2. That's $6 back that you guys can get from Ibotta. Plus, you guys, every 2 that you buy, you get 4,000 points. So I got 4,000 points and 4,000 points. So I got $8 back in points. So your total would technically become $2.46, or just 61 cents a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal for this kind of toothpaste. I mean, from $8 to 61 cents, that is a great, I think that is an awesome deal. So if you guys want, you know, some good, I don't know if it's good, but you know, some decent expensive toothpaste, go ahead and try it. So my deal with my employee discount actually became free, so I ended up doing that. Now I I did the big deal. I ended up getting a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. Now, I did this because I really like the clickable pens more than this, but I wanted to share with you guys the options. So this was $3.49 and this is $2.99. You guys can buy either 2 of these for $2.99, or you can buy 2 of these. You can mix and match whatever you want to do. But let's say you guys did this one. You guys would use that 5 off of 2 digital coupon. It just comes out to be just 98 cents. If you guys buy this and you use that digital coupon, it comes out to be $1.98. But if you guys buy both of these, after that coupon, it comes to be like $1.48 or something like that. So it's up to you guys what you want to do. I prefer the clickable pens. I just like having pens. I just like the clickables. That's just how I like it. I wasn't going to do this deal. I was actually going to do the Dixie plates. Or actually, no, I was just going to share with you guys the Dixie plates deal. So the Dixie plates right now, or the Dixie cups, okay? Actually, wait, no, this is confusing. The Dixie plates are $3.99, and there is a 75-cent off coupon. So you guys would pay $3.24. There's the Dixie cups that are also $3.99. Those are all buy one get one free, but there is a $1 off a 2 digital coupon, so you guys would get them for $2.99. But I did the napkins because we always need napkins. We go through napkins like there's no tomorrow. But these were $2.99, and I used that. They were buy one get one free. I used that $1 off a 2 coupon, the digital coupon, so you guys would get these for $1.99. That's $1 a piece, which I think is a pretty good deal. 90 napkins for $1, in my opinion, is a good deal. I used to always get the cheap napkins before I really started couponing, and now, like, I think Vanity Fair is some like good quality napkins from the stuff that I used to get. But you guys can get the Vanity Fair things, I think, at the Dollar Tree, but you only get like a couple of them. So it's up to you guys. I go from getting I'm still trying to finish off the crap napkins that I've had, but I've been trying to skip in those because I've been trying to use these quality ones. But right now my napkin holder is empty and I haven't brought any upstairs, so those are going right in my napkin holder. Okay. The next deal I did was the Godiva signature candy. Now these were $2.99. I was going to do this deal last week, but then I forgot I had the digital coupon. But these are $2.99. There is a $1 off a 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You would pay $4.98 for both of these, but then you guys can submit a $1 rebate with Ibotta and a $1 rebate with Ibotta, making it just $2.98. So it's like $1.50 a piece. So if you guys want to try a good candy bar, if you need a last minute Mother's Day gift, if you guys are shopping out today, go for it. They had 2 dark chocolates and then milk chocolate. We're not a dark chocolate kind of family, but you know what, Graham wanted to try these and I'm like, okay, salted caramel milk chocolate. We got those. Now, I was right about the pop sockets. Graham and I are going to be getting a new cell phone soon. I have the Samsung, I think 5, or I think it's a 5 or an 8. It's old. It's old. But I have like the Jeffree Star pop socket, and I never used to use a pop socket until I got this. And I love it. Like, I absolutely love it. And this is actually the Pop Sockets brand, I think. I don't know, I can't see it. But these were on clearance for $4.99. And I thought, you know what, I'm going to be getting a new phone soon anyways. So I wanted to get this. So this was the only one they had of this one. I thought this was pretty cute. I like kind of the little mysterious thing. Most likely I will get a teal or a purple phone case, so it'll match it. And then I ended up getting one of these holders. I was just going to either put this holder like in my car, or I was going to put it somewhere. I'm thinking I might do this pop socket deal again just for the holders, because then I can stick it some places. Because I'm always like, where's my phone? towards I could stick it in my car and then have my phone like right there to go. So these were originally 10 bucks a piece, but they're on clearance for $4.99. I think they're doing this deal just to get rid of them, maybe. But every 2 that you buy, you get 3,000 points. So you guys would pay $9.98 for both of these. You get 3,000 points. Comes out to be $6.98 or just $3.49. I think that's a pretty good deal for the Pop Socket brand. I mean, these actually look like the good quality ones. So I was pretty excited to get that. That's one deal that I really wanted to get. I was paying with register rewards. I wanted to use my register rewards up just because I don't know if something happens if I can't go to Walgreens. But I'm like, okay, I need some filler items. I got these root beer barrels, you guys. These were originally 99 cents. They were on clearance for 29 cents. So I'm like, yeah. So I got those. And then there are some really good digital coupons. I ended up having a $10 off of 2 L'Oreal eye stuff. Now, these were buy one get one 50% off. These are $10.99 a piece. There's also a 4 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet. So you guys would use the $10 off coupon plus the 4 off of 2 Walgreens booklet. You will get both of these for $2.48, and that is something that's awesome. I rarely ever get L'Oreal makeup. I use their concealer, and that's pretty much it. But I mean, for $2.48, I think that's a pretty good deal. I'm actually going to try one of these mascaras. Just because. Now I was trying to figure out like what the heck the difference is. The boxes looked completely the same, but and the names were the same, but there was like one difference between the other. I have no idea. It's like, you guys just make one of the same. Like, it's just too many options. But, you know, we got that. And then I also got the Maybelline mascara. I really love this mascara. This is one of my favorites. But these were $8.99. They are currently buy one get one 50% off. I used that 10 off of 2 digital coupon that I had. So you guys would get these for $3.48 if you guys want to go ahead and do that. You can probably get them cheaper. There's other options. It's just with my discount, I didn't want to go too cheap, but I actually wanted to get stuff that I actually use. Sometimes I just, I just get whatever, but there are things where it's like, I actually do use a lot of this stuff. So that is going in the Jennifer pile. I don't know how she got all this stuff in this bag. It's like, really? Really? It's all, okay. So my total came to $18.67, but I did use $17 worth of register rewards, so technically my total came to $35.67. But I ended up getting $16 worth of points. I got some bonus points, plus I got 8,000 points for the 2 things of toothpaste, and then I got 3,000 points for the pop sockets, and then I don't know if I hit beauty. No, I didn't hit beauty, but I got there that 10 times everyday points. So I got $16 back, and then I also got $9.50 back with Ibotta. I was going to get the Toffee Fay, but my store's been sold out the last couple times I've gone there. But $9.50 for Ibotta, I got 3 rebates, I think, from Ibotta, which is pretty good. Pretty good, yeah. Oh, another deal that I wanted to share with you guys, if you guys need pull-up diapers, okay, they are currently 2 for $18. There is this tag on the sign that says if you buy 2, you get a $1 registry reward. There's a $3 off 2 digital coupon. So after the coupon, you guys would pay 15 bucks, but then you guys can submit your receipt to Ibotta. You would get $2.50 rebates, so you guys would get 5 bucks back with Ibotta with that $1 register reward, making them just $9 or $4.50. I was gonna do that deal, but then I'm like, no, I don't really need it. I need diapers more than I need pull-ups, but in case you guys need pull-ups, definitely go ahead and do that. But my grand total technically came to $10.17 if I didn't factor in the register rewards. But if I did, it would be $6.83 moneymaker. So what I got everything for free. But technically for 1017, I got 48 items at just 21 items at just 48 cents a piece. So I think that is a pretty good deal. I'm actually happy that I got a successful haul. I'm really trying to push Ibotta. I don't know when I'll be going to Walmart again for my Walmart Ibotta hauls. Just with everything going on, I just kind of want to go away with the craziness. But if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.